This is your boy Jamaican Mixmaster coming at you again with another cracker video. So this is called the sweet potato punch non-alcohol drink. This one is going to be a cracker. It has sweet potato, cashew nuts, pumpkin seeds, vanilla, also some flax seeds. So we're going to use some condensed milk also in it that is made with a lot of cinnamon spice. Top it off with some nutmeg. So stay tuned, guys, we're coming with it. Welcome back, guys. You know that this is Jamaican Mixmaster coming with something special for you. It's been 2 weeks we come out with a new videos, but this one is going to be an epic one. This is a non-alcohol sweet potato punch. For all who doesn't love alcohol, this is the drink for you. So what we do, we just boil some potatoes. Make sure you cook it before you put it in. Cashew nuts. Also some pumpkin seeds. You must be wondering if it's only milk alone is going to go in it. No, we have something different. So I'm going to chop some vanilla also. This is a very healthy drink. 1 teaspoon flaxseed. And some Betty milk. Not Betty, Surge Island milk. But this one has a cinnamon in it. Then we have a special ingredients. Ta-da! Pistachio. This will make it high, you know. Pistachio ice cream. This one has the nuts in it also. The pistachio nuts itself. So you can make this at home. Remember, it's sweet potato, don't waste it. When you cook, you can just make something like this and make a punch. Sweet potato punch. Put some nutmeg on top. There you have it. Alright, boss.
Cheers.
Yes, man. Have a taste.
It is really good, man. Really good.
I like it.
As I said, it tastes like porridge.
That is good. You can't say that on the video.
Porridge tastes nice and sweet.
A few moments later.
See? You drink out the whole line. I mean, say nice. Wipe out the mouth. This tastes really good, right?
Tastes amazing.
Yeah, man. Alright, guys. So remember, cashew nuts, flax seed, pumpkin seed, vanilla, and some condensed milk with cinnamon. Don't remember that you can use any ice cream if you want, but I'd rather use the pistachio. Tune for it for the display. Bam!